Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you already can tell by the title, we have a 2021 to 2025 Audi A5 here today. The customer just came in for a stage 1 tune, and I'm seeing a little bit of timing pull, so why not do the spark plugs to clean all that up. Starting off with the basics to get the job done right. We are upgrading to the racing NGK spark plugs. We have a torque wrench to torque the spark plugs, 5/8 spark plug socket, along with a very important, should be 10 mil, but I got a 3/8 and I just did some grinding to make it work because you'll see why in a second. Then a 10 mil magnetic socket and back.
Who the fuck is that guy?
First thing you need to do is remove the engine cover. Just go ahead and rip that off and put it to the side. Next up is we're going to remove the 10 millimeter from these ground sockets. But please note, this is where that important 10 millimeter wrench is going to come into play. Go right underneath to the second one. Make sure you get on there good. There you go. If you decide not to use this, you're going to go ahead and when you undo this, it'll twist the ground strap and you're going to go ahead and rip it right off and break it. So you definitely want to use this. You see how if you guys just watched the video and looked into that, that just moved. So again, if you just went and hammered on it, it would have just broke it right off. See, there we go. Didn't damage anything. That is the most detrimental part of this whole job, is having this. Now you go ahead and pull the grounds out of the way. Cool. Go ahead and, before we remove the 10 mils, let's go ahead and pop the coil packs off. You know I love a 90-degree pick, makes it so much easier. Right there, just all. So we're breaking off not breaking off, but releasing the security tab, coming behind it, pulling, nice and easy. It is nice when you got a hot engine bay, makes everything flexible. All right, now that those are out of the way, let's go ahead and remove the studs. Alrighty. A lot of you won't have a specialty tool, so you're just gonna grab it. And honestly, I just want to move this out of the way because it's in the way. Oh, well, I'll go back. We're just gonna have to. There we go. Ooh, she's hot. Oh, come on. Definitely want to get the tool, make it a lot easier. Now that we have the coil packs out of the way, we're just gonna break these free. Just breaking them loose. All right. Before removing the spark plugs, you wanna air out the holes, make sure there's no dirt and debris before it gets in the engine. Now that the hole is blown out, go ahead and get the spark plug out of there. Go ahead and inspect the spark plugs once you take them out, which we will in a second. Beautiful. All right, let's see what we have for data. Oh, it's almost there, we go. Very solid, nice burn. Oh, and there we go, drops. OEM plugs, really nice, clean. I'm not seeing too much gas. Seeing a nice, clean burn. It's not pure white. White would mean it's lean. Black would mean it's rich. Nice solid burn. This is after doing a full throttle pull on the new tune. So, cool. Now we have the racing plugs. They're already pre-gapped, so you won't have to gap them. See the camera, there it goes. Look at those beautifully slanted tips so we don't break them off. Just drop them into the cylinder. You'll torque them down by hand first. Then we'll get a torque wrench. So what you do is just finger it by hand so it makes it start the threads. And then you can do the rest with the gun if you're light and you know how to control your trigger finger. Solid, all right, cool. Awesome there, good. All right, now, good to use this. Just one dugga. Beautiful, all right. Now we're gonna bust out the torque wrench. I just typically go to 35 Newton meters. Beautiful, nice. Now it's time to put the coil packs back on. All right, now with the coil packs back on, you're gonna want to finger this bolt on with your fingers. Do not use a gun on this. For some reason I see a lot of people cross thread these because the coil pack can misalign the bolt hole with the bolt. So again, just starting it by finger, get a couple threads on there at least. Because if you strip one of these bolts, this is your timing chain cover. Well, actually they call it the cam bridge. It holds the camshafts in there. So doing this job would require you to remove the cams, and it's just a pain. It's not something you want to do, so please just follow the instructions. Take a couple extra seconds and ensure everything's proper. It's pretty good. All right. Now, if you're actually good with an impact gun, you're not crazy, it's right there, you know, nothing crazy. You can, the torque spec is around 10 Newton meters, probably 8 Newton meter. 8 Newton meters is probably the torque spec, but this is just studs. Nice on there, right? Put the coil ground back on. All right, now we can go ahead and put our coil packs back on. Put the tabs back on, everything's on there pretty good. Let's go ahead and start threading on the nuts. Just go nice and slow, because I tell you what, you drop one of these nuts in the engine bay, you'll be searching for hours when your job could have been 30 minutes. So, been there, done it. Nothing too crazy, guys. You see, I can't move the grounds. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, that's pretty much it to the spark plug job. Go ahead and put that connector back on we took right here. Safety tabs on, coils are on, everything is in place. Let's go ahead and put the engine cover back on. And we're gonna go ahead and start the engine up just to verify that we have everything proper and that nothing was done wrong. There you have it, guys. Engine started up, we have no fault codes. The job is complete. Well guys, what'd you think? Not that hard of a job, right? Just doing spark plugs probably takes you 20 to 30 minutes max. And if you have the proper tools, you're not gonna destroy things. So again, guys, nice, easy job. I hope you enjoyed the content and hopefully it helped you do your spark plug job. Good job on staying on top of your maintenance. And as always, stay BDT tuned.